So, you're visiting Canada for a business event? We can't wait to welcome you. With incredible destinations and a friendly business community, you've got plenty to look forward to. But before you travel to Canada, you will likely need a visitor visa, also called a temporary resident visa, or an electronic travel authorization, or eTA for short. But don't worry, we'll go over it together. Let's begin with the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada website, ircc.canada.ca. Here, you can learn what you need to visit Canada, apply for a visitor visa or ETA, check the progress of your application, and find help along the way. To get started, let's find out if you need a visa or ETA. Simply answer a few quick questions to determine if you need a visitor visa, ETA, or neither. If you need an ETA, applying is easy. Fill out the online form, pay the fee, and receive your approval by email. Most people receive their approval within minutes. Once you do, your ETA is now linked to the passport you applied with. Time for a nature break. Okay, ready to get back to it? Let's now go over the visitor visa application process. This process can take a few weeks or months to complete, so apply early. To begin your visa application, you'll need to register for an account through the IRCC Secure Network. Once signed in, you'll click Apply to come to Canada. Then, under the section I do not have a personal reference code, you'll select Visitor Visa, Study and/or Work Permit. You'll need to answer a few questions, and then you'll be prompted to select the main purpose of your visit. As an attendee of a business event, you'll select the Other option. Following a few more questions, you'll be prompted to download the Visitor Visa application form. Once downloaded, use Adobe Acrobat Reader to fill out this form. When you arrive at the section titled Details of Visit to Canada, select the purpose of your visit as Other. In the field next to it, enter the event code of the event you're attending. If you don't have one, check with the event organizers if one is available. Once you're finished filling out the form, click the Validate button and then upload the form to your IRCC account. Great job! You're well on your way. With your application now submitted, you may receive instructions for submitting biometrics at a visa application center near you. This must be done for your visa application to be processed, so complete this as soon as possible. Once your application is approved, you'll receive a letter instructing you to submit your passport to a visa application center where your visitor visa will be inserted into your passport. This must be done before you travel to Canada. And that's it! You're all set. At any point during this process, you can request help and check the status of your application through your IRCC account. We can't wait to welcome you to Canada. Have a great time at your event.